I'm sure all of you have heard of Chichen Itza, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Chichen Itza is located in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, in the Yucatan state. I've put together this video as a complete guide to visiting the ruins, so let's go! Hi guys, I'm Zindagi, the kid, and I travel the world with my mom and dad. Welcome to my channel, The Kid Who Traveled. The word Chichen Itza means wizards of the water. Chi means mouth or opening and Chen means well. So Chichen means a cenote or pool of water and Itza means wizards. So the ancient city's name translates to the wizards of the water.
Meaning of Chichen Itza, the Chi means mouth, Chen means well or sinkhole. Whole meaning of Chichen Itza is the entrance of the well of the wizards of water.
In the Mayan culture, they worshipped the gods of the elements that were scarce in their area. Water was very scarce in that region. Hence, the Mayans worshipped a variety of water gods and even kept their city's name water-themed. The Mayans were a very advanced civilization and had 3 calendars. A 365-day solar one called the Hab, one called the Long Count, which tracked the number of days that had passed since the beginning of time, and a religious calendar called the Tzolkin. The pyramid of Chichen Itza is made in a way that it depicts their calendar in its number of steps, blocks and levels. The summer solstice date was of great importance for the Mayans. Hence, the pyramid of Chichen Itza reflects that significance. There are 2 snake heads on the foot of the steps of the pyramid, and on the summer solstice, the sunlight creates a unique shadow on it that resembles a snake descending the steps. This is meant to represent their main god, Kukulkan, or the feathered serpent. Fascinating, isn't it? To go here, it's best to book a tour that covers one cenote nearby because it's hard to arrange cheap transportation without a pre-booked tour. The drive takes about 2.5 hours from Playa del Carmen or Cancun. Try to reach as early as possible to avoid huge queues and crowds. If you reach early enough, you might even get a solo picture with the main attraction, El Castillo, the main pyramid. Remember to carry hats or caps and lots of water. Guides are absolutely a must here, and they truly provide a different angle to the ruins. The city of Chichen Itza includes not only the pyramid El Castillo, but also the surrounding ruins. Though the rest of the ruined city is fascinating, nothing tops El Castillo. Legend says that if you stand right in front of the pyramid and clap your hands loudly, you will hear the sound of the Quetzal bird in the echo of your clap. This is not magic, but a result of the pyramid's architecture. The sound waves bounce off the steps, and due to the way the steps are arranged, the sound waves scatter and some are delayed, producing a bird chirp-like sound. Another attraction here is the Jaguar throne, which represents power and death. It was used by Mayan elite rulers to sit on, symbolizing their power and status. Another interesting artifact is the curved seat, or chacmol. This is a seat which was used as an altar, where human sacrifices took place. The Mayans used to place the sacrificed human's heart on the curved seat. This is a pretty brutal and bloody culture, don't you think? Time for something more positive. Tour, we went to Cenote Ikil, one of the most beautiful cenotes in Yucatan. A cenote is a natural sinkhole or well made by the collapse of limestone. It's like a bowl in the earth. Most of them have now filled with water and look absolutely beautiful. Being there was like an Avatar movie, with vines and leaves and trees hanging from the open top into the cenote, touching the waters, and greenery growing on the walls of the cenote. The following photos and videos are pure and unedited and allow you to see the true beauty of the cenote. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful for you to plan your trip to Chichen Itza. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing travel guides, tips and experiences. See you on another adventure.